Hey guys, Jane here. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I want to talk about how to fix a straight tone and add emotions to your singing. But first and foremost, don't forget to subscribe and like and go to my website and sign up for your free vocal lesson at janemusicstudio.com. So how do we fix a straight tone and add emotions to our singing? First of all, I want to tell you that straight tone is not necessarily a bad thing, but too much of it can sound like you're a robot, like you don't have emotions behind what you are singing about, and the song itself will become dull. And as singers, we want to be able to engage our listeners. We want them to relate to what we're singing about. So emotions are so important to think about when we're singing, but we want to deliver what the message of the song is about. So how to fix our straight tone and add emotions. Practice our dynamics and vibrato. Dynamic is how loud or how soft you sing. Again, I'm gonna keep going back to this reference. If you think of a robot singing, the dynamic and the volume is just staying the same, right? But when humans sing, we hear them going loud at some point and then soft at some point and then loud again and then soft again. That is adding emotions behind it. Number two is the vibrato. Just adding a little bit of vibrato instead of holding that note in a straight tone can add so much emotion. So there's a couple examples that I want to show you guys. One is from the musical The Greatest Showman, from the song Never Enough. Notice in this song, starting chorus number 1, she purposely uses dynamic every other line. The second example I want to show you guys is from the musical Aladdin with the song Speechless. Now this one, in the beginning of the chorus, she chose not to use vibrato. Then towards the end of the chorus, she started using her vibrato, and it's giving more emotions to what she's singing about. And it's the same thing with dynamics. Sometimes we want to place the soft dynamics into the beginning of the song. We want to introduce to the listeners how the beginning of the song is. So soft is usually the way to go, and then we build the dynamic up, and then by the time we get to the bridge, usually the dynamic is super loud and strong, and then we bring it down a notch. So dynamics and vibrato are the way to go. I also talked about this in my blog. Make sure you guys click on the link in the description below and go ahead and read it and check it out.